How to make product pictures rounded corner in Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So first of all, you have to go to your Shopify admin dashboard. So as you can see, I'm already in my Shopify admin dashboard. From there, you have to tap onto online store and then simply tap onto the three dot icon over here onto your current theme, then tap onto it code, then search for base.css. As you can see this code over here, then just scroll down to the bottom and then tap onto the last number over here, like last code over here. So as you can see here, after here you can see this page here. Like after here you just have to add a enter and then you have to make a space. As you can see, I have already space, then simply as you can see this code over here, as you can see this one, you just have to copy this code. Like you have to copy the whole code, you have to copy it and paste it over here like this. Let me show you. So as you can see, this is how it looks like, and then you have to save it up. So this is as simple as that. So this is how you can make your Shopify product page rounded. So that was pretty much it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.